Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to use Google Forms. To access Google Forms, we're going to go to the applications box, click there and select Google Drive. Once we are in Google Drive, we have to choose the option Nuevo and go to More, select Google Forms and choose from a template. Google Forms can be used for different purposes, but here we're going to use it for educational purposes and we're going to create a quiz. We can choose from all the templates we have here, and we're going to select one of the last options, which is in education, and select quiz. Google Forms gives us a template like this with some given items and some given fields. The first field you have is the title of your quiz. In my case, I have to edit this and I'm going to write quiz 1. Quiz 1. Then I can type also subtitle, simple past quiz. The other fields that Google offers are name and email. Here students will need to type their names or their emails. These are questions that can be omitted, so they are mandatory. Then we have a section in which we have some sample questions. The first one is a multiple choice question. The second one is a checkbox question. Then we have an open question and another open question. We're going to work first of all with the type of questions. So the first type of question we are going to have here is a short answer question. The second type of question is a paragraph question. The third type of question is a multiple choice and a checkbox question. For our purposes, since we're going to give only multiple choice quizzes, the best option would be to choose multiple choice questions. We're going to start by editing this first question, and we're going to say, for example, since I am making a simple past quiz, I could say in this case I will need to add my options that answer this question. Okay, now I have my 4 different answers, but I haven't decided which one is the correct option. To edit which is the correct option, you will have to go to the key, and here you will have to select the correct answer. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, and I have to uncheck this one. Now you can provide also the number of points for each question. In this case, I'm going to make only a 10 questions quiz, so I'm going to give 1 point, but I could use, for example, 10 points and I would get a total of 100 points. In my case, I'm only going to use from 1 to 10. Then if you want to give feedback to your students, you can do that by editing here. For example, so in this case you just click save, and that's going to be the feedback that your students are going to receive. You can click only in ready, and obviously here you're going to have the correct option. Now you can make these questions all the time mandatory, so students don't skip their questions. If you want to continue adding this type of questions, what you have to do is again add a question. Now the question is here. This is the question and it's multiple choice, but from this menu you can select different ones. For example, check boxes, drop down menu, linear scales, and also you can have multiple choice grid, but we are going to choose only multiple choice in this case, so I'm going to choose again multiple choice. I can continue with a second question. I can choose add more options, and to do that all you have to do is click on the option and enter. Press enter as many times as you need them. So in this case I have already 4 options. Again, we have to choose the correct answer, so we go to key and we select, for example, this one. I can add comments to the correct answer, or the incorrect answer. Here you can give any type of comment, obviously, depending on your purposes. Here you just click save. Remember to assign the number of points. In my case, I am giving only 1 point. And after I finish with this, I say ready. Remember to check also that it's mandatory for your students. Well, this is all about creating a quiz. I will see you in the next video.